Here few lines you need to first underline. Okay. Adobe Flash CS5, this chapter name, basically small animations. For doing small animations, we have to learn this chapter. Now, small animations where are getting used? Can anyone tell me? Animations where
Can you
are,
hear me? I'm for the internet connection. That's why I'm joining late.
that's why you?
I'm joining late. I'm for the internet connection.
Who?
No, I am Rono.
Ronak, just now I have started.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, nothing I have started. Okay. So Adobe Flash is doing some animated video. For making some animated video, we are using this software. Can anyone tell me that why we are using this? Using animation. Where we are using animation? Just use your common sense. It's very easy. Where we are using animation? Have you you grown up without
Animated
cartoon? Have you all grown up without seeing any of the cartoon?
yes, ma'am. We have seen.
Yeah, in the cartoon, it is used also. But nowadays, in the websites, also you will see that we can use. There is that this is not from Adobe Flash. There is one tag called Marquee Tag. Okay, if we are going to use it in front of any kind of line, the line will come and go like the news portal. In the news channels, you will see the newses are coming and going from the below. Okay, the important news
Yeah,
is
you can.
like this.
Ma'am, animation used to create models that are essential for research and study.
Yeah. So here Adobe Flash CS5, this software we are mostly using for some animations. Okay. Here first you need to mark the line that which is the maker of this software. So this is Macromedia. Macromedia is the maker of this software. It is used to create graphic-based animation programs with full-screen navigation interfaces, graphic illustration, and simple interactivity in an anti-aliased, resizable file format that is small enough to stream across a normal modem connection. And the extension is getting saved with WSWF, Soft Shockwave Flash. So why it is getting used here? The new is anti-aliased. Okay, anti-aliased means other what you have you have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Full screen navigation interface means how you will make your animation that is mentioned over here. Okay, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Anti-aliasing means, suppose here I am zooming this picture. Okay, suppose I am zooming this picture. Okay, here you can see after zooming the picture is getting a little blur, but here if any good websites or is there or any good web page is there, if we are going to zoom on that website or web page, we will see the content is remaining same or the content is coming as more perfect. Okay, that is called anti-alias effect. While we are zooming, the edges of any writing or any picture will not be cracked. Okay, that is called as anti-alias feature. Resizable file format, I hope you are understanding. Resizable means we can change, means here there are many nowadays, so we can just make videos just by taking our normal small pictures all together and everything. Here what you have to do, here you need to means how we are saving it. We can save it in three type of format, like low, medium and high. While we are have to just save it in the high video format, you will I think you all have seen that is requiring a lots of memory. So that is called portable size format, means whatever size we will provide, we can provide, we can just save our animations accordingly. Okay, so while we are saving in the high resolution, high memory file, that time we will see that the animations will be more nicer. It will be running without any kind of buffering, or while we are zooming it, any kind of edge cracking will not be, or picture distortion will not going to happen. Okay, so here first this thing you mark, afterwards just wait.
Hello, ma'am, I can't hear you.
Yes, I'm not telling anything. So here, this is the, I think you all are able to see the window of the Adobe Flash. Though your book, I have seen that your book is written in a much older format. Means what pictures they have used much older format, means they have used. So here in the Adobe Flash, you will see that this is called the stage, where the animation we are just going to edit. This is called stage. Okay, here it is the edit bar. Here the timeline it will show, the layering it will show, and tools. What tools? If you are here, you can see where I'm just pointing the mouse right now. Here one text T type thing is there. T means here we can just input any text to make our animation more proper. Also, there are menu bar, like this is the menu bar. You have seen that in the all of the I mean all of the means, what can I say? Any software, like if you are going to use Word, also that time also you are able to see menu bar. Okay, so here only understand this part, that what is called Word, nothing else you have to understand. Okay, so going to the next page. Here the individual tools function is there. Okay, so here, since we are not doing the practical from this chapter, what we will learn from here, we will learn here, suppose what is layers, what is masking. Okay, so inserting, creating, this thing is not needed. Okay, so I'm just first crossing those things, whatever is not needed, because unnecessarily we will not read anything. Rather than we will learn one thing, that thing should be much good. Okay, so creating layers, you just cross it. Creating shape queen, just cross it. Inserting layers and naming them, cross it. Creating a masking, steps to follow. If you are interested enough, you can do. I'm just not crossing it. If possible, just let me give 1-2 days. I will see that there are any other ways are there or not to just install Flash. So basic thing we will learn. Okay, so here first layers masking, this thing you will see. If you have used the Photoshop also, you will see that there the options is there. There is also available. Okay, now here I want to say a few things that is not related to this chapter or not related to your syllabus, but I really love to talk about it. Many a times I used to talk on those matters. We are very much, what can I say, attracted towards the celebrities' picture. We are seeing that their perfect skin, perfect race, perfect skin tone, as well as in the face, as well as in the hands. Everything is so perfect. Even their hair colors, hairstyle, hair density, everything is so nice. Now, if you are just going to see the Photoshop or Photoshop's features, that is quite same like this. That is why I'm talking about it. You will see that by Photoshop we can achieve that much perfection to our pictures also. Okay, suppose I have taken one picture in a very high resolution DSLR camera. And I have edited that picture very nicely in the Photoshop. That time also we will achieve that goal. So don't be that much attracted towards that I have to achieve that much of 8 pack, or I have to achieve that much of perfect skin without any dark spot and without any dark circle. Everything is illusion, and we are using computer graphics on almost everywhere. I hope the greatest animation example I'm just giving you. I hope the Avengers movies, all of you seen any of the movies? Yes or no?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you will see that the entire movie, how the movies are created. If you are going to search it, you will see one thing that the movies are created in a in a green background, and everything means from the pictures of Thanos to the spaceship to the battle, everything they have just given as input. Okay, that is called VFX. Okay, and there is one company in Canada who is only working with Marvel, and they are just making the video, the animations related or the VFX or the graphic related work for the Marvel company. Okay, so the greatest example is there. So see here in class 8, they are just making you learn on every topic. Means some HTML, some Flash, some photo editing, this, that, many things. Now, why? Because you need to choose your interest while you are going to what you are going to do. If you are much interested about animation, you can do it. If your photography is your hobby, you can just choose Photoshop and you can learn it very nicely. You can take up paid software for the means you can take the paid software from that, and you can just use the features. Okay, like this way we can just learn. Next is layers. The numbers of layers we can create is limited only by the computer's memory, and layers do not increase the file size of our published movie. We can hide layers, lock layers, or display layer contents as outliners. We can also change the order of the layers. It's a good idea to use separate layers for sound files, actions, frame labels, and frame comments. This helps us to find the items quickly when we need to edit them. This chapter is means I am teaching you, but I don't think that you will be able to catch that much. Okay, layering means suppose in the we have seen one kind of picture like this. In the train, I have seen that some hawkers are just selling this kind of toys. The pictures is in black and white, and they are giving a film like very what can I say, transparent film. And if you are inserting it with below the page, and if you are just moving the film like paper, you will see the picture is moving. Okay, so layers is actually like that. Suppose in one character you have just made one animation, one small animation with another one character, and you have made 10 different animations with 10 different characters. In the Adobe Flash, what you can do, you can just stack the layers one after another. Stacking means একটার উপর একটাকে আমি রাখতে পারবো, কিন্তু কোনো লেয়ারই আমি দেখবো না যে each layer we will see that each layer is visible. Okay. Each layer will be visible. So the final animation will looks like we are having 10 characters and they are just working. Suppose they are just running in that particular animation. They all are able to do it in that instant only. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next here we are just going to mask. Okay. So masking means what is written over here. Masking is easy and it allows us to create interesting visual effects. Masking is familiar technique in computer graphics. Okay. Now 10 characters I have put in one animation, and I have seen that there are some rough edges are coming in the animation. Okay. But I can just trim the picture like here the flash is written. Okay. So here this is called masking. Masking means how much we will choose that area will audience only see. Okay. So here in the masking and layers, both the things a little bit you just I will just write you for you, because otherwise you will not understand that why it is called what. Okay, so layers and masking, only the definitions you have to read. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Masking is also in the Flash. It's a special type of layer. Okay, especially using for hiding some content. Hiding means suppose I don't want to see that or something like that.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Rono.
Ma'am, yesterday you was absent me. I am in the class.
No, I have not absent you.
Yes, ma'am. In my phone there is message.
Just wait, let me check. Because how much student was present, I have just make them only present. If you are not present over here,
So fast.
okay, let me check it.
Okay.
Yeah, Ronak, you were absent. There was, while I was taking the attendance, there was 15 students only. So if you are,
Present in the class.
yes,
No, I am present in the class.
what I have done in the class,
Yes, ma'am, you are present.
what I have done in the class, Ronak,
Yes, ma'am.
what I have done in the class.
Ma'am, you have given that 2, 3, and 4 chapter question answer.
Okay.
HW.
So you are present. You were present.
Yes, ma'am. I am present.
Okay. I will give that attendance.
Thank you, ma'am.
Maybe for the network issue or something like that. Sometimes Zoom is not
Yes, ma'am.
showing everyone's name.
Yes, ma'am.